Hello again, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're continuing our exploration of routing protocols, and in part 2, we'll be delving into the fascinating world of exterior gateway protocols. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out for a comprehensive understanding of routing protocols. First things first, what exactly are exterior gateway protocols? And why are they so important? Well, I'm glad you asked. Exterior Gateway Protocols, or EGPs, are a set of rules and conventions used by routers to exchange routing information between autonomous systems on the Internet. But what's an autonomous system, you ask? An autonomous system is a collection of interconnected networks under the control of a single organization. So, when routers from different autonomous systems need to communicate and share routing information, they rely on EGPs to make it happen. EGPs play a pivotal role in how the Internet operates today. Picture the Internet as an enormous web of these autonomous systems, all interconnected. At the core of this web are the Internet's backbone routers. These routers need to know about all the autonomous systems to properly forward traffic. Ensuring that data reaches the edge routers of each autonomous system is a top priority, and EGPs are the key to achieving this. Now, here's an interesting fact. To ensure the Internet functions smoothly, there's a crucial organization known as the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, or IANA. IANA is a non-profit organization responsible for managing vital resources, such as IP address allocation and autonomous system number allocation. Let's talk more about ASNs because they are a fundamental part of EGPs. ASNs are like unique identifiers assigned to individual autonomous systems. Unlike IP addresses, which are divided into readable bits, ASNs are typically referred to as single decimal numbers. There are reasons for this. ASNs remain stable and rarely change because they represent entire autonomous systems. Knowing that AS1960 belongs to IBM is enough information for routing purposes. So, in conclusion, while diving deep into the intricacies of exterior gateway protocols might be out of scope for most people in IT, understanding the basics of autonomous systems, ASNs, and how core Internet routers route traffic between them is crucial. EGPs are the unsung heroes of the Internet, enabling seamless data communication across different organizations and making the World Wide Web possible as we know it today. That's a wrap for today's video on exterior gateway protocols. If you found this information interesting and informative, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-related content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech-savvy.